AESSEAL design, manufacture and repair mechanical seals. We're based in Rotherham, South Yorkshire. We're a global company. We employ about 1,700 people around the world. We have offices in 42 countries. And we supply our products to a wide range of industries, such as oil and gas, mining and minerals, pharmaceutical and so on. We developed a range of software about 15 years ago to help capture some information from our customers. Over time that software became outdated, but also our business had changed, our range of products had changed, the type of solutions that we were supplying. So we elected at that point to look for a software development partner that we could work with. So we wanted to work with a company who were willing to work in an agile way, who were willing to understand the general direction of travel, but then be responsive enough and actually react to changes in requirement or changes in functional specification. The way in which we work is very much that we are the subject matter experts. We know our business, we know our customers. We can then have that conversation with the development team here at Audacia. It's very much a collaborative, two-way process, and the level of communication is just fantastic. The work that Audacia have completed with us and continue to extend could really be summarised as a knowledge management solution. Our ability to respond to customer inquiries and requests for technical information is massively increased. Not only is it much more timely, but the effort required internally is significantly reduced. We've always been good at it, but this software allows us to be absolutely excellent at it.